Hello, and welcome to another demonstration video brought to you by Summit Hosting. In this video, we'll be showing you how to properly log out of your server. Oftentimes, we find that users are logging out of their server by clicking this X in the top right-hand corner of their RDP screen. This is not the proper way to log out of your server and can often cause problems when trying to log back in. The proper way to log out of your server is to use the log off icon that is located on the user desktop. If for some reason you do not see a log off icon on your desktop, go to the Start menu, click on the little circle with the person in it, and click Sign Out in order to log out of your server properly. Either one of these options that have been demonstrated in this video will correctly log your profile out of the server, and you'll no longer have issues when trying to log back in the future. Thank you for watching this demonstration video brought to you by Summit Hosting, and have a great rest of your day.